So late?
You think I want to?
Were you working late again? Why? What's wrong?
Nothing.
Ming, what's wrong?
Nothing!
Ming, what's wrong?
Lost my job. I was retrenched.
Retrenched? What happened? Is the company closing? Nobody lives like you. And you don't even sleep anymore? Think about what Samantha will think of her daddy. Be a man and pick yourself up. Don't worry, you can always try again. Guess what? I got another 3 tuition students. Ming! What are you trying to do?
I'm a burden to the family.
No, you're not! Why are you trying to kill yourself? How selfish can you be? What about Samantha and I? Who's gonna look after us? Ming, I just want us to be happy. Why are you like this now? You used to be strong and optimistic. Now you're just making me depressed. I'm not strong enough to look after you and Samantha alone. How can we be happy again? Maybe this is something bigger that we can handle.
Don't die before you die. This video is finding you at the hardest time of your life. You are fired. You have lost your job. But you have only lost your job, not your life. Live as long as you are required here, and live till God permits. You came to the earth for a reason. No doubt you need to brood over the job loss, but you do not need to be empathizing constantly and preoccupied with that. It doesn't mean that you need to be anxious all the time about that. Don't throw your hands in despair. You need to have a strong desire for living, combined with a strange carelessness about dying. Go out and try new things with gumption to search for a livelihood. You should be shrewd, spirited, and initiate with resourcefulness to meet the life squarely. Because you have a family to protect. You have bills to pay. You have been living your life like drinking water in auto mode without any effort. But you need to act to drink wine if you want to. If you've been out of work a long time and you think you're now permanently unemployable, again watch this show carefully. The recent turmoil created by the pandemic has impacted your work situation. You need to understand how the world, and particularly the world of work, really works these days. If you know your mission, it throws an entirely different purpose for your life from now on.
When it is time for you to go for job hunting, you may think you have no choices. But you do. There are always jobs out there. If you can't find the jobs out there, you are using wrong methods to look for them. You need to change your job hunting method. Forget the traditional job hunting. Instead, do a life-changing job hunting.
Traditionally, job hunt is readying your resume, posting it, and waiting for a call. If the keywords in the ad and your resume matches, you are lucky you will be called for job interview. It's only a matching game, suitable if you are looking to stay in the same line of work as before. Traditional job hunt may be a quick find of some job matching your current capabilities only to get regular paycheck. This matchmaking is a piece of software and nothing about personal elements. It ends up with you staying on the same path of everyday people, in most cases, with business as usual, postponing your dreams. But it only works sometimes, and for certain occupations, and in certain areas. It doesn't work at all when you are trying to radically change your career, looking for a new kind of work. Drop your traditional job hunt. In traditional job, you were doing the work of 3, stressed out, exhausted, burnt out, and not earning enough, fearing to be fired any time. All you wanted from a traditional job was money. But now you want a meaning. So your job hunt shouldn't be just traditional, but should be a life-changing job hunt. Should be a career change hunt, a life-changing job hunt, putting a sense of mission in your life. You should look for a more paying, role-rich career, retooling your skill, and even decide to go into business or freelancing. The advantage of life-changing job hunt is it pushes you to thinking about who you really are, what you really want out of your life. What you should do for that. You need to do a lot of internal search to find your niche occupation and then decide which field you want to go in. There are 3 steps. Step number 1. Just identify what skills, gifts, talents you enjoy using and offer to the world. Once you know your skills, you know your niche, and with this building blocks, you can define your occupation. Step number 2. Then decide where exactly you want to use your skills. For example, if you have a love for designing and visioning, you can pitch for the fashion designing career. If you are good at math and passionate about teaching, you can start an online course. Eureka! Now you can put your passion into occupation and occupation into field. These 2 steps are more important as it introduces who you are to you. This, only you can do it for yourself. Step number 3. Deciding how to go about it is more like a program. Once you decide the first 2 steps, there are many job counselors and consultants to do it for you, how to proceed on your chosen path. Like how to approach the company for a job, how to start your own business, how to freelance, how to market your skill or product. So there are ways to job hunt. Number of ways to look for them. Change your job hunting method. Consider a career change. The key is perseverance and hope. Please subscribe Rich Dad channel. It is a channel of hope masked every time with different avatar. We know what you want to view next in this channel. Will come soon with that. Live forever. Live rich.